Once upon a time, there was a boy named Jack who lived with his mother. They were very poor, and in one position was a cow. One day, Jack's mother told him to sell a cow. On the day of market, Jack met a man of offered with 5 magic beans in exchange of the core. Jack agreed and went to home. His mother was hungry and there the beans on the window. The next morning, and Jack pistol they had grown to the wall in the clothes. Jack winked the beans a phone to the castle and leave. Instead, he discovered Travesu going coins until the golden eggs. Jack threw some atrocities above the gigant chased him. Jack clearly climbed down the bedstand and cut with accent the gigant of the disappears. With the Travesus, Jack and his mother went a longer pole, and they lived happily ever, ever.